small greenage. Okay. Oops. Look at this. We are here. Wow. We are here, guys. So yeah, a little bit long drive, guys. So we are here, but we're going to see how beautiful inside. So yeah, let's check it out. So yeah, we are here. So this take of this hat, as you can see, wow, it's a very good area, guys. So there's so much of bunch trees over here. Wow, it's so beautiful, freaking beautiful. And by the way, the feelness of the, the wind is very different when I'm going outside, because if I'm going to drive, it's so like yeah, pretty hot. But this is area are so freaking cool. Yes, yeah, grabe, so much beautiful. So okay, wow.
Singunin mo. Masudlan ang naglaway ni mo.
Guys, wapo kayo, guys. Super ganda. Mayroon pa doon, oh. Pero yung area na yan is medyo dead end na. Pero okay na, hindi ko na pupuntahan yan. Pero ito, guys, na itawag na mangrove forest is under development pa sa Panabo City government here in Davao del Norte. So mayroon pa mga i-improve dito. Then makikita nyo sa screen yung planner na nilagay doon na maglalagay pa sila ng zip line daw. So yun, parang mayroon ng improvement sa kanilang under development itong mangrove forest. Pero I hope so na sa mga susunod na araw is makabalik ako dito, then we'll try to see, or we'll try to see them of their have a permit or something not. So I will not say, just it depends to the city government or whatever. So yeah, overall in my ratings is very relaxable. Right now I'm so very relieved na nakapunta ako dito at nakasimoy ng hangin at sobrang sarap talaga. Basta sa dagat lagi is medyo iba na ang atmosphere sa dagat talaga. So grabe, sobrang ganda. Yan, so hope you like and enjoy to my YouTube channel. So dito ko na i-in yung live ko, yung hindi live, yung vlog ko. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Louis Vlogging sign off. We're going back home. Oh yeah, baby.